Volt TV, baby, it's going down. Big Herc916, fresh out, man. We teamed up with Volt TV, a streaming service giving you over 10,000 channels, movies, news, sports, triple X. Yes, we got it all, man. And we're giving our viewers and our subscribers a trial. Click the link in the description. Volt TV, check it out, get yours. Get rid of all that other shit, man, that you're paying all that money for. 2 devices, $19.99. Volt TV, I'm telling you, it's the shiznit. What up, everybody? Big Herc916. All about that positivity and that motivation on another car journey with the wifey, making a trip from Arizona to California, picking up another whip. I got rid of the ML63 AMG Mercedes, and I'm already missing it, but I got a great replacement, and I think you guys will enjoy it also. And if you never visited California, the desert aspect, this is Palm Desert, heading towards LA, and they got a bunch of windmills out here, so it's pretty cool. See the windmills out here blowing around. And road trips for me is meditative, clear my mind. I don't mind driving, depending on what kind of car it is, but it's just a way to kind of shut out all the bullshit and realign, focus, listen to some cool music, and pass the time, man. So stay tuned. I will be picking up the car in a little bit, and I will keep you guys in the loop. What up, everybody? I made it to South OC, and I got here late last night, so I didn't film any video of the car, but I figured, hey, today's a new day, and the sun is out, so you can actually see what I came up with. So check it out. So everybody, I ended up picking up an ML63 AMG, and the guy took really good care of the car, man. It was worth the drive. Looking at the pictures online, wasn't a whole lot of pictures, but it was enough for me to know that this car was worth the drive. So I drove 6 hours and some change in a rental car to South OC to pick this car up, and I'm very happy with it. It's got a lot of luxury features, man. Very comfortable. I just sold my E63, like I said before, and this is a nice replacement. My wife actually is going to be driving this car. I'm waiting on my old school to come out the shop, but as you can see, it's very nice inside. He took very good care of the interior. There's no rips. All the leather is very, very nice. I just got to do a little detail, but I'm happy with everything that I've seen on the car so far, and it drives like a dream. Got my sleeping pillow back here, but the back seats look like nobody's even sat in them. They look brand new back here. I mean, all the suede and stuff is like just immaculate. The leather's clean. Got the Benz wheels on it. Even the driver's side, just looking at just the door panels, the seats, it's not very worn, very good condition. Center console, no rips, no stress. Steering wheel is great. Dash looks brand new. There's a couple little things I'm gonna do as far as, just like I said, just detail the car up. The leather is in superb condition. There's a little bit of looks like peeling by the window trim, so I'm gonna have that cleaned up. Paint is man, for a black, it looks very good. Just get a good wax on it. Back here in the trunk, a lot of trunk space. Trunk looks very good. He might have had a dog, I'm not sure. I'm gonna wipe that down really good when I get to the house. But it's got the quad pipes, and yeah, man, this thing is about the business. So from the back, the car has a really nice stance, looks really aggressive. I don't want to front the guy off who sold me the car, so I don't need you guys looking up his license plate number. So I got wifey blocking that off, but man, I'm really happy with this car so far, and look forward to driving it back to AZ and seeing what it does on the freeway. It has an actual comfort mode, sport mode, and then manual mode. So I'm gonna put this thing in manual and do what it does. So I'm on the freeway now driving, and I have it in manual mode, and the car is so smooth. Actually, SUV is like, man, the way the road feels. I mean, I'm usually driving cars that are more sporty as far as lower to the ground, low profile tires, and you feel a lot of the bumps and stuff. But in this car, it's man, it feels like you're rolling on you're floating. Actually, you're not rolling, you're floating on the road, and the handling is tight. The suspension feels good, and the shift points are really smooth. It's not like there's a delay shifting. I mean, it shifts very efficient, and it's just a nice feel to this SUV. I'm gonna do I gotta get over here, about to get off into another freeway. I'm gonna do more in depth as far as all the little quirks and stuff of the car, and kind of give you a breakdown. The AC blows out cold. It's got heating and cooling seats, touch screen, navigation. Got a separate AC for the rear of the car. Lot of back support. The lumbar and everything on this is night and day from the other car I drove out here, which was just a shitty rental car. But I mean, it feels like you're sitting in captain's chairs while you're driving. The noise, the comfort.
Use the right 2 lanes to exit right to exit 23,
Mercedes,
State Route 52.
AMG, man, they handle their business when it comes to just overall comfort, ride, performance. And I've owned a bunch of Mercedes, and it's just like my go-to car, man. It's, I just love them. I gotta give a props to, how they build their cars, and just the way the doors shut, everything fits. It's just a tight finish, man. And nothing against BMW, Jag, or any of the other luxury cars. I've had them all, but just Mercedes. Even as the cars get older, it's just they hold up well. Some cars, they don't really hold up that well as far as when you start talking about just durability.
Right to exit 23, State Route 52. Then use either lane to keep left to State Route 52 East.
Mercedes really does a great job with that. So I'll do, like I said, a little more breakdown once I get settled in back in Arizona.
Use either lane to keep left to State Route 52 East.
But I just want to kind of give you guys my initial feel for the SUV and my opinion, man. But it's a nice ride, man. I look forward to enjoying it. I know wifey's gonna love it. She'll be driving more than me, because I'll be in my old schools once I get those all back, and this would be her go-to. But I will enjoy driving it when I do drive it, because it's a nice car. So Big Herc916, ML63 AMG. Oh yeah, it also has backup camera and all the little sensors, so it lets you know.
For 11 minutes to exit 18B, State Route 67 South.
It lets you know when you're too close to somebody. So it's got all that good stuff as far as keeping you alert when you're driving, so you don't have any accidents. So AMG, baby, Big Herc916. I've never driven on the Highway 8 from Southern California to Arizona, but this is pretty cool. Check out these rocks, man.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
You never think that rocks could be this amazing, man, but some of these rock formations are pretty insane. And this road is kind of like the Grapevine on steroids. So you got a lot of turns and twists and curves and stuff, man, and it's pretty dope. Thought I'd share this with you guys out there, since I'm always driving somewhere interesting. This was definitely an interesting highway. If you ever leave from South Orange County heading towards Arizona, it'll put you on the 8.
Overspeed.
Hello, I'm Big Herc916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.
Hey.
I got that work. Hey, see, while y'all in quarantine, I got that work. Split the coronavirus wig, man. Hey, go to the link in the description and get your limited edition coronavirus wig splitter shirts. Big Herc916 getting down fresh out.